Welcome to Golden Gray's Fashion Academy. I'm so excited to kick off our 10-day fashion book challenge, where we explore the most essential books every fashion designer should know. Today, we're diving into our very first book. Most beginner fashion designers struggle with one big question: where do I start? Going from an idea to a finished garment can feel overwhelming without proper guidance. That's why Fashion Design Course by Steven Faerm is an absolute game changer. This book walks you step by step through the fashion design process, from developing concepts and creating mood boards to sketching designs, selecting fabrics, and building entire collections. What makes it special is that it simplifies complex processes into easy-to-follow steps, perfect for beginners. Here are the 3 things I truly love about this book. First, it provides a clear explanation of the creative process. The book doesn't just tell you what to do, it shows you how designers think. It guides you through ideas, researching trends, conceptualizing themes, and refining designs. Even if you've never sketched a garment before, you'll learn to approach design challenges step by step, almost like having a personal mentor. Second, it includes real-life examples from fashion schools. Steven Faerm shows actual projects used in professional fashion programs. You'll see how designers turn ideas into sketches, choose fabrics that bring their concepts to life, and organize collections that tell a story. These examples bridge theory and practice, helping you understand exactly how the fashion industry operates. Third, it helps you think like a professional designer. This book trains your mindset as much as your skills. It teaches you to analyze trends, consider your target audience, and plan garments with construction and presentation in mind. By the end, you'll be designing with a professional perspective, ready for fashion school, internships, or even launching your own brand. For beginners, students, or aspiring brand owners, I personally rate it 9 out of 10, an invaluable guide to start your fashion journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Grace Fashion Academy for more fashion tips, sewing tutorials, and industry insights. And get ready for tomorrow's episode, where we'll explore our second fashion book in the 10-day fashion book challenge. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.